So I bought this one in Shopee. Super cute storage. Ayusin ko today. And, okay. Ayusin ko to lahat ng nandyan. Nalagay ko dito. Ito. Ano ba to? I went to Opta. Tapos, this eye on my left, solid kasi yung nangyari kahapon. As in, magang-maga talaga siya. It was so itchy talaga. Nag-sting na yung ditong part, pero hinayaan ko lang. Pero nung pagkahiga ko, lumobo siya. As in, lobo lang siya ng lobo ng gano'n. This part na to talaga, medyo sensitive siya. So, might take a look and hindi na ako makapag-make up. Earlier, I finally applied for a credit card. So, sana ma-approve. It's under PNB. Ano ba to? PNB PAL na now. Kasi ang annual fee niya is after 3 years, magiging 1,000 yung annual fee. Tapos pwede rin daw ma-waive. Then I can use it to travel abroad. I really want to maximize and I really want to learn how it works kasi I've already tried Atome. Hindi ako ma-approve nun sa G-Gives tsaka G-Loan kasi I want to learn how it works. Tapos, ano pa ba? Credit card. I also tried yung loaning apps. Tinuro sa akin yun ng dating kong katrabaho pero it's not as benefitable. Tama ba? Hindi ka makapag-benefit ng solid. So, that's why I tried the credit cards kasi it has its benefits and rewards. Pero I'm gonna use that for siguro travel or emergency talaga na purchase. Alam mo yun. So, pero medyo hindi ko siya magagamit ng until I'm not gonna use my credit card to pay off my other loans. That's not the most wisest. I'm gonna use it to maximize yung benefits and rewards niya, and at the same time, it's for emergency purpose talaga. So,
I lost everything. By the time when I was better, it was...
okay. I tried to check and see how life's gonna be when I... Ano ba ito? Move out of the house. So, totoo lang, maliit lang yung bahay. But it's just so clean. Kahit may dumi dyan. Alam mo yung, yung kahit may madumi sa isang parte sa bahay, it's yung kadiri na once you see something on the, sa ibang bahay na, it's just so unpleasant. So, I got to see our rental space. As in, dugyot talaga sobra. Hindi sa ko, pero I don't know, this is why I can't leave the house and ayoko talagang personally, I wanna see a rental space kasi I wanna save. Kasi when I'm at home, what I think of is what am I gonna give? What am I gonna... Alam mo yun, kasi having parents around, kasi na makikita mo yung pagod nila, makikita mo yung ganito. Minsan may mga pag-uusapan kayo na or arguments that are just not basta any arguments. So just my problema ko lang kasi is just that I'm not getting any younger. Minsan I get so lazy. I bring out all my frustration sa kanila gawa ng all the comfort is there. So, I tried to see a rental space ngayon. It's okay. Konting linis lang. It's just that sa taas ako matutulog ng bed space. We're all girls. Walang privacy. Meron naman akong kwarto na ako lang na okay lang sa akin. Alam mo yun, parang you know, so what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with right now? I don't know. I'll just go home and matutulog na lang siguro ako. I'll see. Vista says gas lang. Okay, 1,000 again.
Kung iwasan ako iparang ayaw akong nandyan. Pagbuksan mo na sana kasi kahit anong mangyari